What's going on? I would like to talk about the amazing opportunity again. Um, yes, it's really is amazing. It's crazy because the compensation plan is like no other. Um, there is no compensation plan in the history of online where you can join a company and they pay you 10 levels deep. So even though you bring people into the company, right? You get paid off of the people who you bring in, but you also get paid off of the people who your team members bring in without you even bringing them in, without you doing any additional work. And not only that, it's recurrent income. It's recurrent income or residual income. Um, the reason why it's recurrent income is because work that you did like um, 15 years down the road, you'll get paid 15 years later for the same work that you did years ago. You'll get paid off of that. You know what I'm saying? That's working smarter, not harder. And as long as the people keep their subscription and the members stay in the company, stay in the organization, you will constantly get paid off of all those people over and over and over again. Just like the cell phone companies, for an example. Everyone has cell phones. Just think about Boost Mobile or Verizon or T-Mobile. Just think about all the customers that they have. If they have like a million customers paying them every month, right? That's residual income because the customers want to have their cell phone service turned on every month. You know what I'm saying? We want the service. So we're gonna pay we guess what? We're gonna pay. We're gonna spend our money. So that's residual or recurrent bills for us as a consumer. But for the business side and the people who's receiving the money, that's income, that's recurrent income for them. So that's the same way and the same concept of this business opportunity I'm talking about. We can keep receiving income without doing any additional. Of course, you got to do work. Nothing happens without you not doing nothing. You do nothing, you get nothing. So that's not what I'm saying. I don't want what I'm saying to get misconstrued. When you do put the work in at first, after you put the work in, there's no additional work unless you want to keep increasing your income. Then you got to add the work. You got to do extra work for that. And as you add and do additional work for that, you get paid additional income, but you don't have to do any more work for that particular income unless you want to grow more or grow further than that. So I mean, like that's a no-brainer. I mean, come on now, that's what I'm after, and I don't want everyone to join this opportunity. I really don't. I'm just looking for like-minded individuals and people who really want to make a difference, not only in their personal life, but also make a difference and change in other people's lives as well. You know what I'm saying? So, anyone who's interested in this, I mean, this wonderful, amazing opportunity. So, come on, it's there. It's definitely there. And before you can even make that kind of money, you have to transform your mind. That's the name of our channel. Transform your mind. Because if you don't transform your mind, and if you have a certain level of mindset, and if you don't believe in yourself, you know what I'm saying? You won't believe that you won't even believe that you can make that kind of money. So guess what? You're not even going to try. So that's why you got to condition your mindset. That way you can have a different paradigm shift. Once you have a different paradigm shift, you will change the mentality. And once you change the mentality, your belief in yourself would start to change. As your belief in yourself would start to change, then you will start to take action. And once you take action, then your manifestation would manifest into physical form or into your physical reality. So some people get it, some people don't. But anyways, anyone who's interested in this amazing opportunity, the link would be at the bottom of the description of this video, and it really is amazing. That's why it's imperative for people to do self-development, personal development, and work on themselves and work on your mindset, work on your mentals. So that way you can increase your ability, increase your potential. So that way you can grow. You grow mentally, then you can grow physically. Once you grow physically, you can also grow financially by make sure you transform your mind. All right. So once again, the link is at the bottom of the description of the video, and I wish everybody success and prosperity. All right. Peace out.